Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can transfer money from Gcash to Wise. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Wise app on your phone, and now from over here tap on this option of send at the bottom, and from the who is your recipient section, choose this option of someone else. And now go ahead and enter the account details right over there, the email address right over there, and then you simply have to add in the bank details, which will require the inside Europe or outside Europe. Go ahead, choose it up accordingly, add in the full name of the account holder, the IBAN number, and tap on this confirm at the bottom. Then once you have done that, now go ahead, add in the currency as well, make sure to change it accordingly. Once you have done, add in their email, and now simply bank details. You can go ahead, switch to e-wallet from over here, and full name of the account holder, add that and tap on the confirm. Then you simply have to choose a method for your e-wallet. Simply choose this Gcash option given right over here, simply tap on it. And now the final details, your Gcash will be over there. Recipient's e-wallet number you're gonna add the country, you're gonna add the city and recipient's address properly, and the postcode as well. Then afterwards, simply gonna go ahead, check out the Gcash as the e-wallet. Then you're going to add in the recipient's e-wallet number, recipient's address, recipient's country, city, and recipient's address as well at the bottom right, and then add in the postcode and tap on confirm at the bottom. Then this will be the final interface where you will see account holder name on top, their nickname, private, and e-wallet provider as well. Now go ahead, tap on the send money option at the bottom, and you will be able to send money from Wise to Gcash. You can be able to transfer money from Gcash to Wise, and that is it. So that's how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.